In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your friend code here on a Nintendo Switch, Switch OLED, or Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this process is pretty simple, but begin by being on the home screen, and you could just get on the home screen by hitting the home button on your Joy-Con to go to the main menu or on your Pro Controller. And up in the top left corner of the screen, you're going to see your user profile icon. Go ahead and select your profile and then press it again, and it's going to open up your profile page just like so. Now you can go up to the profile top, all the way up in the very top, and you'll see your friend code will be right underneath like your name right here. It's going to start with an SW, and then it's like a little dash, and then the rest of it is going to be your friend code, all those numbers. This is the code that you're going to want to give to players so that they can add you as a friend. And if you don't see a friend code, it just means that your profile is not linked to a Nintendo account, and you're going to need to link your Nintendo account first. Once linked, your friend code will appear automatically, but that is it. Now you can share your friend code with your friends and start playing. It really is that simple. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.